Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my hair care routine video. So, I dye my hair blonde and I also have permanent hair extensions to thicken it. So I thought today I'll show you guys the products that I buy, and I've noticed a huge difference in the softness in my hair, the tone of my hair. So starting with shampoo and conditioner, I actually have four, as you do. So I have one range which was recommended by my hairdresser. That's just to kind of wash the extensions and keep them soft and in good condition. And then I also have a toning range. So this is just to kind of keep my blonde color in check. So for the shampoo, I use the, oh my god. Oh, sorry, I totally just felt water run down my leg. I didn't realize they was still wet. Got them straight from the shower. Anyway, the shampoo that my hairdresser recommended, it's by L'Oreal. It's from their Professionnel range, and it's the Lipidem Absolute Repair. It's quite low in sulfates. I don't find that it's very foaming, which is quite good. Usually the more sulfates and foaming action in your shampoo, the more it kind of strips your hair. But if you have extensions like I do and you're looking for something quite gentle and cleansing, this is lovely. And then the matching conditioner that they recommended for me is from the Professionnel range by L'Oreal as well. It's just like a different kind of range, and this is the Nutrifier. So this is their glycerol plus coconut oil silicone-free conditioner. Silicone-free is great for extensions because it means you can get like right up into your roots and not have to worry about any like slippage or sliding. This is quite like a mild conditioner, so I do have other products like deep treatments that I use to really condition my hair. To tone my blonde, I've got these two products which I've talked about in a favorites video before. It's the Lee Stafford Bleach Blondes range. So I've got their shampoo with Pro Blonde Complex for bleached or highlighted hair, and the matching conditioner, and they just claim to knock out brassy yellow tones. Now, I was reading reviews of these online, and I did notice that people who had kind of like a lighter, more natural blonde hair didn't really enjoy this. I feel like this is a little bit more better for people with very light to platinum blonde hair. I feel like the toning just works a little bit better. So I usually like to use this one once a week just to keep my blonde looking like a nice tone and color, and I like to leave the shampoo in for, like, I'll lather it in and maybe leave it for like up to 1 to 2 minutes. I wouldn't leave it for too long. On my hair, it picks up like a weird kind of pinky rose blonde color, which I kind of low-key like, but not exactly what I was going for. So yeah, don't leave this on too long, and same with the conditioner. But unfortunately, these aren't the most moisturizing. Nice at toning, but not the most moisturizing. And my hair naturally has a lot of frizz and dryness. The extensions are lovely, but my hair gets quite dry. So the two like kind of deep conditioning products that I absolutely love are by John Frieda. Firstly is their Frizz Ease Miraculous Recovery Deep Conditioner. This stuff is so good. Would highly recommend if you have frizzy hair. This also has like a really nice sweet powdery smell that kind of lingers in the hair. So after I've shampooed and conditioned, I'll take like a large dollop of this and put it into my ends. Obviously, because of my extensions, I don't put it like right up into my roots, but I'll just leave it in for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes and then wash it out. And I just find my hair is so much smoother. It's so much easier to brush, less tangles. After I've dried and styled my hair to keep any frizz at bay, the product I use in conjunction is also from the Frizz range, and it's their Extra Strength 6 Effects Serum. This has silk proteins and just really nice smoothing agents, and as you can see, my hair looks really nice and soft. It's funny because my mum introduced me to this one, whereas I introduced her into the mask, but they're from the same range, so that's kind of funny. But anyway, would highly recommend these two. And then lastly, I thought I would just include 2 styling products which I like to use. So for heat protection, I just use the Tresemme UV Filter Heat Defense Styling Spray. Heat protection up to 230 degrees. I actually only wash my hair 2 times a week, so it's not really exposed to that much heat, but I will always use a heat protection spray anyway. And then last but not least, of course, you cannot have a hair care video without mentioning the magic that is dry shampoo. Honestly, whoever invented this stuff deserves a Nobel Prize. Dry shampoo is the best. If you haven't tried it, you have been living under a rock. If it wasn't for this, I'd probably have to shampoo my hair like every second day. I use their Brilliant Blonde one. So this has like a hint of color, like a little bit of yellow. It's actually really good at toning down any regrowth. So there you go, a little tip for you. How funny that I've been on YouTube for probably like over 5 years and I've never done a hair care routine video, but these are all products that I buy. I love them, and I thought you guys might enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite hair care products are. If you have any holy grails that you absolutely love, please let me know in the comments, because I always love to try new things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!